Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
Wow, go on, what's great? Chef John Morris again, man, presenting to you how to prepare gizzada. You got a party if you're a dancehall fan or just a party fan in general. And not only party, you go to sports day, all of these gatherings, you always guarantee if you see a nuts man. Yeah man, I'm saying nuts man, I not talk about crazy, you know. I talk about peanut and all these things. And nuts is normally a Rasta man, you know, so big up all of the Rasta them on the channel, you know what I say? So you know all this nuts here go through the crowd and him have him peanut, him grater cake, him drops, him gizzard, the whole works. So I'm going to be showing you how to prepare all of those Jamaican, simple but yet delicious desserts. You know what I say? And I'm not showing you how to prepare this gizzada or the rest of these drops and all these things for run out nuts out of business. No. So Nutsy, big up yourself and big me up, isn't it? We just show you how to prepare this so that when Nutsy is on vacation, you can make your very own. So without further delay, forward, let me show you what I'm going. So I'm going to be using a pack and a half of this unsweetened coconut flakes, right? You can get this as you see here, great value at Walmart to purchase for less than $2. So we're going to start the filling off by adding in a saucepan the water, the salt, vanilla extract, rose water, mixed spice, and brown sugar. So after mix that around, get all of those essence infused in the liquid, right? And we're gonna add to that our shredded coconut flakes. All of this color shall be changing pretty soon. I'm going to put this at medium high just to come to a boil. I'm going to reduce the flame and allow this to cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. So you see that start to come to a boil and the color of the coconut is slowly becoming brown. So if you realize here the sugar and the water is slowly becoming a thick syrup, right? That's what you want. Just turn that down on medium and allow it to cook for 20 to 25 minutes. Just so to get the coconut flakes cooked out properly and also that it becomes a bit sticky to hold the coconut together, right? So this is what the mixture should look like. Little to no liquid, right? Now we're just gonna allow this to cool down for about another 15 to 20 minutes. And then we're gonna work right on the pastry. So forward, I'm gonna show you where I'm going. The dough here that I'm using is a short crust pastry and we already have a video out on that. So just click that link above and it will take you right over there. Alright, so our dough has been sitting in the fridge for over half an hour. So we got it up to that temperature that we want. Just gonna remove it from the plastic. I'm just gonna dust the surface. Gonna cut it into half. And then again, so quarters. Cut each quarter into half. We'll get about 8. Put this to the side. So I'm gonna show you how to work this one. You just kinda mold it like that. Bring it into a bar. Dust some flour on there. Flour your rolling pin. And this prevents the dough from sticking to the rolling pin. And we flour the surface so the dough doesn't stick to the surface, right? We're just gonna roll that out. For about a centimeter thick. Rotate that and roll. So there you go. I'm going to be using my glass bowl which is 5 inches wide. Find whatever that's round to the size of what you want. If you use something smaller, you're going to get more out of your pastry dough, right? Just going to squeeze onto that, spin and lift. You can use this for if you have extra filling at the end to just make like a jumbo one if you prefer, right? The first thing you want to do is to get your fingers like this, your thumb and your pointing finger. You're going to use your pointing finger from the opposite hand, whichever hand is dominant to you. So you want to lift the dough up like that first, so like this, and you pinch. And immediately after where you pinch, you rise it up again, and you're just going to insert your finger right up where you pinched before, and you pinch again. So ensure to pinch enough to hold that dough, because the butter and everything will seal it, right? You're just going to repeat this process all around. And you're also going to use this finger now. Just hold it in place here as a guideline and you pinch. So you're going to form a cup. You just do this right around. And that's your gizzada cup right there. You realize I have about ½ inch of depth. Get yourself a fork and you're gonna prick it. You stick it to the fork so that when you pre-bake your shell, it doesn't puff up. So this right as it is very flimsy. You cannot fill this. So we're gonna put this onto our prepared baking tray and we're gonna pre-bake these shells for about 5 to 8 minutes just to firm them up so that we can put the filling in and don't break away the walls, right? Some people would put back the dough in the fridge just to firm up and then they fill it. I don't do that because I don't want, when I put the filling on and it's baked, down at the bottom here is a bit saggy and doughy. You don't want that, so you pre-bake the shell for about 5 to 7 minutes on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So while you're rolling out these, this would be the best time to preheat your oven. So I'm just going to put this onto my prepared baking sheet and repeat this process for all 8. So after which, I'll be right back. So it's pre-baked and the shell is now firm, right? To have the dough not looking so white, we're gonna go in with a little bit of milk. Ensure that there's minimal amount of milk in it. Let's brush the outside so it gets a nice golden color. And for this crust, we're not gonna bake this for very long. So we're just gonna fill it and bake it for an additional 8 to 10 more minutes. So cook time is about 15 minutes in total. Because remember, you know, we already have the shell pre-baked. The coconut is already cooked. I'm gonna show you how to fill it. Just gonna go in some of my coconut mixture, about a quarter cup there about. Let's get your mixture, put it right in the center there. You can use your fingers. Once your hand is clean, you just flatten that, just kind of compress that in it. So when you bake it, it doesn't fall from the shell, right? So just put in the filling until it's filled all the way up. And there you have it. We're gonna repeat this process until we get all 8 shells filled. And then we're gonna pop those in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes or until golden brown. After which, we'll show you what it looks like. It's out of the oven and you tell when it's ready by looking at the edge. The flake starts to change color and the bottom should look like this. Golden brown sort of, right? Allow them to cool and dig in. And there you have it. Gizzada made easy here on Morris Time Cooking Ed. Once again, thank you very much for watching. And do remember, hit that subscribe button for more amazing videos like these. Until next time, safe travel on the gravel. And go on, big up on yourself.
Yeah, me see you now, dinner for later. But know you fast, girl, you never tell me. Cause I know any man can feed you. So that's why you always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.